We've got a fantastic team, and I love in my position being able to work with our management team and with our staff. And I love the culture that we're building here and kind of the direction that we're going. I'm originally from England, but I've been here at TPC Sawgrass about 11 years now. I got my start in golf courses in British Columbia, Canada, just during high school, and finished high school and didn't really know where I was going to go. I really loved the work that I was doing. Just through some really good mentors and some good advice at a young age, I was directed towards going to the University of Guelph for their turfgrass program. I was able to take an extended internship, during which time I went to St Andrews in Scotland for a year, and then I was fortunate to get a 6-month internship here at TPC Sawgrass. When I got here, I thought I was only going to be here for about 6 months, and in my first tournament, I just knew I was hook, line and sinker, all in on tournament golf, and there's no place better to grow myself in my career than here, I felt.
He's been here a long time. His local knowledge of the course is phenomenal. Lucas is the hardest working guy here. I don't think anyone would ever deny that. He's intense, he's fiery, he's passionate. His work ethic is unmatched.
When I was younger, I thought that I could do everything by myself. I was enthusiastic and just wanted to be the best and do the best. The older I get, the more I realize that everything that we do out here is done with a team. A lot of the guys that we have on staff, they've seen me from my early days here, and they've seen kind of my work ethic through that, and they've seen my ups and downs in my career, and I wear that with pride, and I hope they know that I've still got their back every time. We have a really great team, and it just continues to get stronger, so I'm really, really proud of them.
I love him to death. He's a talented, dedicated young man, still young, but he's mature in his years here as far as the facility. I truly foresee him being in my role in the near future. He's just a solid, good guy. People gravitate to him, they love him. You know, I think it's the accent a little bit. He says it's because he's good looking. I don't think he's really that good looking, but at the same token, he's just a lot of fun to be around.
Outside of work, I love hanging out with my fiance, Kristen. We got a dog together, Dexter, who joins me at work. Our time outside of work together is very precious. I do enjoy craft beer, so we like to tour around and go to craft breweries when we can, and just enjoy living in Jacksonville. It's a great city, and we have a good time here. I love the track that I'm on right now. I love the team that I'm working with, so I'm not anticipating any changes anytime soon. I'm just really enjoying working for the PGA Tour and TPC Sawgrass.
He is just always committed to what the big plan is here and the end vision.